In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can set up a VPN on your iPhone. So to achieve this, we're going to be using Proton VPN, which gives you a completely free plan that you can use. So just head over to Proton VPN, the link is in the description. So you're gonna scroll down until you see the option that says get VPN free. Continue. So here you're gonna select continue to free. Provide your email address to continue. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. So go ahead and create your account, right? And then you can download the mobile app. You're going to select menu and then select downloads. Then here, just tap on the download link for iOS. So you already have the app on my phone, that's why it's saying update. So just open the app once the installation is complete and then sign in with the account that you just created. Now all you need to do to connect to your VPN is select quick connect. Now if you want to use a different country apart from say USA, then you would have to purchase the plus option or upgrade your membership. So let's go to settings in the iPhone. So let's select settings. Now select VPN. So now you can see that VPN is on, so I can enable it or disable it from here. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.